Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I have a Yeezy Alvah 700 unboxing. I'm pretty excited to do this unboxing. I got pretty lucky online. Yeezy supply. I waited a while and I was able to get a pair that I secured for resale, so I did sell a pair of these. But you know, they are pretty cool. I just wasn't really feeling them for the personal, but I'm very glad that I got these, so I have an unboxing for them. But before we get into this unboxing, I want to discuss a little sponsorship I have with y'all. Just a little quick one. I want you guys to listen up. From this Discord group chat called Resale Plus. Now basically what Resale Plus is their Discord group chat, as I said, and they provide detailed drop information for each, like, you know, like good sneaker drops, Supreme drop, things like that, and they provide really detailed information on it, on good guides to allow you guys to actually get more information, to actually secure the drops, so you can know about like certain restocks or things like that. You have more opportunities than other people, and that's a good advantage. And they also have monitors on their Discord group chat with the add to cart feature. So basically what that means is, like, if there's a certain thing that drops like on their monitors, they'll get it. Like if there's a certain Yeezy, basically all you have to do is click the add to cart button and it'll be in your cart, and all you have to do is fill in your information and you have a pretty good chance of getting it from there. So as long as you fill in your info quick enough. So I think it's a really cool feature that they have also. And they have free SMS notifications, so if you want to get text notifications, they can do that. And they also do giveaways, so if you want to get, you know, getting some free giveaways, go ahead. Their group chat does it. And they also run slots too for certain items. So, you know, if there's a certain big drop coming up, you can run slots on their group chat and they're free. And you know, if their slots actually get something, then you just got that item and you didn't even have to go for it. So I think that's pretty cool. So shout out Resale Plus. If you guys want to join the group chat in the description, you guys can join it. Use my code Tristan for, you know, I think it's like €5 off. So go join there. And I'd appreciate it if y'all would do that. But yeah, let's get straight into this video. I hope you guys will enjoy. Subscribe and like if you're new. You can also go check out my Instagrams down below in the description. Let's try and hit over 100 likes. But yeah, let's get into unboxing this pair of Yeezy 700 Alvahs. I want to show you guys what these look like kind of in person. They're pretty cool. The like potential Air Force restock also drops in like 30 minutes from like right now when I'm making this video. So I'm up like, you know, a little early, getting ready for hopefully that restock. I've already copped some good shoes that'll resell today. I got a Yeezy drop tomorrow. Got someone running for that, so I'm trying to get like 2 pairs there. So you know, we've been running the resale game pretty strong. But basically, right now, we got this pair of Yeezy 700 Alvahs in size 9, as you guys can see, straight from Yeezy Supply. And basically, what these look like, as you guys can see, is a pair of 700 V3s. So you can see this model is very interesting. I've already sold these ones, so like I still got the tags on them. I'm not going to try them on or take them off, so I'm sorry about that. But basically, as you can see, this is like a pretty interesting model with a V3. And actually, if like you put like the flash up to it, like it's reflective, so like you can see this part's like reflective and like it shines. So I think that's pretty cool. But I wasn't a really big fan of the V3 model myself, so like I wouldn't get any of these pairs for the personal. And another part of the sneaker I want to point out, like look at this, like on the bottoms, like the boost is, it's yellow, like it's black and yellow. So you know like Wiz Khalifa, you know, black, yellow. That joke was awful, terrible. That was the worst joke I've ever made. Ignore that. But yeah, basically, both the pairs, I want to take both out. I mean, I could see these on foot, you know, looking together like this. Like this would be a pretty crazy pair of sneakers to wear together. So like, kind of mess with like the pair, like if someone wore it together. And obviously, I already sold these to someone, so someone's gonna have some heat on their feet. Like these are dope. And like for me, I could see someone making some fire fits with this, and like honestly, they really killed. Like look at how they killed like the stitch work on this. Like look how clean everything is. Like look at all the design. Like look how nice all this is. Like the toe box section is really nice. And also, you know, like it's pretty cool. Like I think the laces, yeah, the laces are just tucked in. I thought it was about to be like no laces type thing. You just kind of like slide your foot in, which would be kind of interesting. But this sneaker, I can imagine also being pretty comfortable. Like look, that's like a lot of support on your feet. Yeah, you know, for me personally, no, but Kanye still did good in the sneaker. There's still this fire, so shout out Kanye. The reason I say no is because I just don't know how I would style this. Like honestly, I'd have trouble probably. I mean, it's just a black sneaker. I probably wouldn't have trouble styling this, so maybe it is a cop. Like it's literally just a black sneaker. I don't know what I'm talking about, but you know, it is. Like look at, there's just so much, like this sneaker's made of so many different kinds of materials. Like look, you got different material up here by the toe box. You got different material right here on the laces, like down here on the boost. Like you have a lot of different material on the sneaker, and also like right here in this section, which I don't know what that is, but it's pretty interesting. They also have it right here. It's kind of like a little bit see-through. So I guess don't get these sneakers near anything sharp, because like it could cut right here, I noticed. So you know, be careful about that. The sneaker is possibly not the most durable, so that could be something, a little bit of trouble. But I can't really review the sneaker for too much more. I mean, I guess I could show you all the flash. I want to show you all this. Maybe y'all can see it a little bit, but I'm gonna show you all the video of what I take with the flash. Like, I'm taking a video with the flash right now. As you can see, they shine pretty good, and I'm gonna play the video at the same time so y'all can see it. But you can see, like, it shines pretty decent. So I think it's pretty cool. The tag's kind of in the way, but like, yeah, you can see it's kind of reflective. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to review about the Yeezy 700 Alvah. I don't have too much more to say. This is a cool sneaker. It resold good, so, you know, I made some money. And, you know, shout out 300 Chefs for allowing me to cop these. So big shout out to them. If you guys want to go join the group chat in the description, they allowed me to cop these. And I'm trying to figure out their website passcode. So Eduardo, respond to my text. But that's all I gotta say. I'm just messing around. But yeah, basically, I'll see y'all in the next video. And let's roll that outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content like this, definitely going to be getting more sneakers in the future. So if you guys want more videos like this, be sure you guys go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Just trying to hit over 100 likes. I'll be doing more like this for sure. So, you know, just show the love, and that'd be dope. We've been gaining a lot of subscribers lately, and that is just amazing, guys. So thank you. I can't even explain how much love, like, it's just dope. So thank you all. But yeah, that's really all I got to say, other than check out my Instagrams down below if you guys want to. I'm about to try and get ready to see if this Supreme Air Force One restock happens. Hopefully Joshua Jeb is right, and hopefully I am right too. I got a lot of people counting on me, so I don't want to be wrong, but, you know, hopefully the odds are in my favor, and hopefully we get a restock. But a lot of people seem to know about it, so it's going to be hard to cop, but hopefully we do if it does happen. So that's really all I'm going to say. I'm Tristan, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.